So, during Spanish time, separate yung upuan ng mga babae sa mga lalaki. Then after that, the door will be shut closed, together with the windows. So once the priest stand here, meron na siyang hawak na dalawang bagay. So do you have an idea what are the things na hawak ng pare before, habang nag-deliver siya ng kanyang sermon? So there are two things. One is Bible, then the other one are stones or bato. So what is the purpose of the bato? So yun po yung pinambabato sa mga natutulog.
Tayo ay nasa Monastery Church Historical Landmark. Ang museum is under the National Historical Commission of the Philippines at isa ang museum sa 28 museums sa buong Pilipinas.